Oh, hey folks, Ray Wade here, and I'm here to tell you about an exciting new program being offered by the Engineers Foundation of Ohio. This program is part of their December seminar series, and it's offered either on December 3rd or 4th in virtual format. This year, the exciting program I'm talking about is titled The Innovation Leader. It's an engineering guide to managers, project managers, and leaders at all levels. This is a virtual program, as I mentioned. It's going to have a lot of interaction with breakout rooms and chats and such. It's going to cover why innovation projects fail and what you can do to lead your team, your innovation team in particular, and make them a successful innovation team. And we're going to be looking at some of the very best practices used in the industry in order to do that. Okay, so I've been told I have a viewer mail here. This mail comes from Willie from Westchester, and Willie writes and says, Ray, I'm not a manager or a project manager, just a team member. How will this project, how will this workshop be able to help me? Well, Willie, this workshop is designed for leaders at all levels, from the executive all the way down to the team members. So with this workshop, what you're telling me is that in your job, you don't really have positional power. In other words, you're not a manager and you're not an appointed leader, but you still do have leadership power. That's the good news. So there are several different types of power. Legitimate power is the type of power that someone in a position has, like a manager or if you were appointed as a leader. Actually, positional power is found to be a very low motivator for your team. However, the good news, Willie, is that you could make use of two other types of power, either expert power, which is the power of your knowledge, or referent power, which is just your likability. Both of those things have been proven to be very high motivators for your team, which means that you can lead your team and you can help them through their innovation project. And what we're going to learn is how you can help using some of these best practices to lead your team, even without having that position of power. Okay, so folks, make sure that you register soon because we're coming up on the deadline here. The workshop is December 3rd or 4th. You pick one of the 2 days. It's a virtual workshop. And this is the Innovation Leader. It's being offered by the Engineers Foundation of Ohio. And you can register at ohioengineer.com. And I'll show that at the end of the video as well, that website. So make sure you get registered, folks. And this workshop is going to offer you 6 CPD hours, 1 hour of ethics training, or you can also use it as 6 hours of PMP certification or renewal. So it's a really good deal. And I hope to see you there. Take care.